We are always searching for the next big health hack. The supplement, the diet, the 6 a.m. routine. But what if I told you the most powerful change you can make is how you breathe? We'll be talking today the lessons learned from the book of James Nestor, Breath, the New Science of a Lost Art. When I first picked up Breath by James Nestor, I thought, breathing? Really? Isn't that just automatic? But it turns out most of us are breathing in ways that sabotage our energy, our focus, even our lifespan. This book blew my mind, and today I am sharing why it might just change your life too. We live in a world of shallow breaths, our posture slouched over screens, our jaws tight with stress, our breath stuck in our chests. 90% of us are mouth breathing at some point in the day. Mouth breathing linked to fatigue, brain fog, and poor sleep. Nose breathing boosts oxygen by up to 20%. It's wild. We take 20,000 breaths a day, and we're doing it wrong. James Nestor's book shows how fixing this one thing can ripple out to everything. One of the biggest insights from the book, mouth breathing versus nose breathing. Mouth breathing dries out airways, strains the heart, triggers stress, and nose breathing filters air, adds moisture, regulates hormones, and produces nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a game changer. It helps your blood vessels relax and your cells soak up oxygen more efficiently. Nestor's experiments showed that even a few days of forced mouth breathing spiked blood pressure, lowered performance, and make everything harder. Here's where it gets even more interesting. Your breath is the remote control for your nervous system. Fast, shallow breathing puts you in fight or flight mode, stressed, anxious, reactive. Slow, deep breathing flips the switch to rest and digest. Calm, focused, balanced. Inhale activates sympathetic alertness. Exhale activates parasympathetic relaxation. Think about that for a second. Your breath can literally shift your state of mind in real time. After reading Breath, I decided to experiment. I set a 2-week challenge to focus only on nasal breathing during workouts, at my desk, even while sleeping. The first days were weird. My nose was stuffed, my mouth wanted to take over. But after a week, I felt clearer. My sleep was deeper, my workouts felt easier. The biggest shift? My mind was quiet. I realized I didn't need to do more. I needed to breathe better. So here's how to start bringing this lost art back into your daily life. Tip number 1, seal your lips. Be mindful of nose-only breathing during the day. Number 2, breath holds. Try gentle breath holds to train your CO2 tolerance. Number 3, bax breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold it for 4 seconds, exhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, then repeat that for 5 minutes. Tip number 4, mouth taping at night. Use gentle tape to train nasal breathing during sleep. Tip number 5, slow it down. Try to slow your breath to 5 to 6 breaths per minute for calm focus. These are small tweaks, but they have huge impacts over time. So, what do you get in return? Here's what better breathing has done for thousands of people. Benefit number 1, better sleep. Deeper, longer, more restorative. Tip number 2 or benefit number 2, enhanced focus, more oxygen, clearer mind, stronger workouts because you're using your lungs fully, lower blood pressure, better circulation, calmer nervous system. Benefit number 5, more resilience. Your breath becomes your anchor in stress. And the best part, you don't need equipment. You don't need a gym membership. You just need to remember what your body already knows how to do. James Nestor book is a reminder. We carry around a powerful healing tool every moment, our breath. So today, try it. Close your mouth. Slow your breath. Feel your body calm down. That's the art of breathing, and it's been there all along. Comment below what's one change you're going to make to your breathing this week. Like and subscribe if you're ready to rediscover your breath and your power. See you in my next video.